Hi, this is Mrs. Merrill, and I hope you're enjoying your snow day. Hope you're being safe. Just wanted to remind you what you need to do for today, February the 3rd, in geometry. So if you take a look at the screen, I need you to, number one, complete the focus bell ringer, which is on this Google Classroom site. Please put that on your own paper and make sure you show all work. And then secondly, I want you to check the Go Formative practice test that you did in class last period that you did yesterday. And so double check that, make sure you have that submitted, check your answers. And then the third thing I need you to do is, if you have not already done so, complete the mini quizzes that are located in the test quizzes section of our Google Classroom. There are 3. You have mini quiz geometric mean. You have mini quiz special right triangles to complete, and then you have the mini quiz on the trig function sine, cosine, and tangent. If you have not done those, please try to get those done. And then last of all, you have a mini memory test practice that I gave you in class yesterday, the handout that I gave you yesterday. Please complete that. If you were not in class yesterday and you don't have that handout, it is available on our Google Classroom page. You could just write it on your own paper. I hope you enjoy your day. See you hopefully Friday or Monday. Bye-bye.